What's up, homie? This is Tony. If you're running a store, don't miss the video. I'll introduce our popular LED letter to you. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel and click the link below. This video to stay updated with the business growing tips, how to make people remember your store. The first step is to create a memory point. See this LED lighter that can be installed in just 1 second. Look, no wire on its surface. Even a young homie can install it. The magnetic conductive head can be inserted into the track to light it up. You can also adjust the position at any time, even install wrongly. Color and size can be customized. What about getting one of these to make your shops or store evident and easy for customers to find? No matter what your business is, lcsign can help you grow. Even if you haven't subscribed to our channel, do that right now. Hit the subscribe button and comment below. Thank you for watching. See you next time and follow lcsign.